Can't turn on your Mac Mini because the power button isn't working? Most people panic and think their Mac is broken, but the solution is often simple. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the power button issue. Let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check the power connection. So first, make sure the power cable is fully plugged into both the Mac Mini and the wall outlet. Try a different power outlet to rule out a faulty socket. If you are using a power strip, then try to plug directly into the wall outlet. Solution 2. Clean the power button. Turn over the Mac Mini. Now look for any dust, dirt, or debris around the power button. Simply press the button multiple times to see if it's stuck or unresponsive. Then clean the button using a soft brush or a thin cloth, and after that, press the button and see what happens. If the issue still remains, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Unplug everything. So now unplug all the USB devices, external drives, or hubs of Mac Mini from the power source. Wait 15 to 30 seconds. Next, plug them back in, and now try pressing the button again. If you're still facing the same issue, then contact Apple Customer Care Point. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.